Guys, welcome back to another my channel. So today I'll be drawing a cute princess. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm just gonna draw. Okay, wait. Okay, I've done that. Okay, so I'll just be like normal. Normal. Okay, I think mine is not so. Okay, I'm just gonna do like this. Like this, guys. Okay. After that, we just gotta do like this. Okay. Okay. After that, just do this. Then just do the eyes that we do. Okay, we are done that. We have done that. Okay. After that, we do her hair first. So guys, I'm not gonna do like, you know, the, what do you call that? Never mind, I don't know what they're called. But trying to do the, okay, you guys just follow me. I'm not so good at this. Okay, let me just try again. Okay, and then I will just put some. Okay. I don't think this is gonna end. Okay, I'm trying to do it. Okay. Oh man, this is gonna take an hour later. Okay, I think I got it already. Okay, so first I'm gonna do like this, okay? And then I'm just gonna do this. This is longer. I should also do this longer. Okay, longer than that. Okay. Okay. Then just have to join this. Okay, this is getting harder. Okay, I've done that. Now, oh, this looks nicer than this. Okay, let me just raise this tiny thing. Okay. Okay, I think we got it. Then, yeah, baby, we got it. Okay. Okay, then I'm just gonna do the bun. Okay. I'll do the crown later. So this is all I have, okay? So this is what I'm doing. Okay. Now, just do like the shoulders are little. Nah. Okay, we got it. Okay. Then I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay. Then I'm just gonna do. Okay. Then I'm just gonna do like this. Okay. Okay, I don't think that is nice. Okay, I think I got it now. Much. Ding, and then. This is hard, guys. Okay, I've done that. Now I'm just gonna do, start from here, go down, go here and up. Okay, I've done it. Finally! Okay, let me just fix this. Okay, done it. Okay, I'm gonna just, since she's a princess, let me just put, okay, I don't know what happened there. Okay, did it? Wait, guys, I'm just gonna do this real quick. Okay. Okay. Let me just take my big freezer. Okay. Oh, I just did this and okay. Yeah. No. Okay. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Then I'm just gonna do this. Okay, I've done that already. Now I'm just gonna do. Okay. So it's like behind her. Okay, so for the crown, I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, I've done that. Okay, now I'm just gonna have to... No, we're not taking the hot. Okay, zoom in. Oh no. Okay, I've done that now. Okay, now I will be coloring. Let me just find brown. Ah, okay. Okay. And then the brown is like, no. Oh yes, this is the brown. This looks like, you know what I mean. Okay, let go. Perfect. Okay, and then okay guys, you just wait here and I will show you the end of it. Okay guys, so I have finished my coloring also. So thank you guys for watching my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell and comment below. Bye.